Hi everyone. So, this is my book wherein I maintain everything which is related to my health, which is related to my weight loss journey, the kind of diet I eat, my physique, my inch loss, everything. So, now that I think lockdown is going to be extended for schools even further, I thought why not, spend every day about 10 minutes in a talk about, let's say, workout, how it helps us and stuff like that. So the first thing that why we need to work out, the need for workout, today I'm going to speak on that, why we need to work out, why it's essential to work out. So I have 10 reasons which I want to give you for which you must include workout in your life. So first and foremost, of course, stay physically fit, avoid any kind of ailments, illness. If you have anything already, it is going to bring down your dosage. So work out. More than physical fitness, second point would be for you to stay mentally fit or sane during this lockdown period wherein everybody feels a sense of loneliness. The only way we are able to connect to people is virtual media, and it's unsafe for us to step out of the house. So for staying mentally sane, peaceful, calm, you need to work out. To stay confident, improve your personality, have that kind of self-esteem. It's important that we work out. As you work out, you will realize that your productivity increases in everything, may it be your professional space or being at home, because now you don't have a maid and a cook for everything. So it makes you very productive because you stay active for most part of the day, especially if you do it in the mornings. You would want to go and look at mirror again and again. You would want to appreciate yourself every time you see yourself in front of the mirror, and you might want to try out all your new clothes or clothes that never used to fit you. So yes, it makes you feel pretty. It increases your self-worth, your self-love, the feeling of all of that. You age gracefully, right? You become more vibrant. Next is, like in economics you have multiplier effect, right? Income, investment, capital, and then it leads to all the GNP and GDP. Similarly, increase your own GNP and GDP. Okay. As you start exercising, your habits will change, your lifestyle will change, your perspective on life will change. The way you view relationships, the way you view problems in your life will change. You'll start having a more broad perspective. You will start having more positive attitude. You would want to erase anything that's negative in your life. You would want to stay away from people who are negative or who carry a negative aura around them. So in that way, it has a multiplier effect. Internally, your organs function well, so your digestive system will be much better. Your issues of gastric and acidity and headaches and loose motions and this and that, all of those things would just vanish away, provided you do it consistently. Next is three more points which I have, which are more to do with either psychological need, you can say, or more philosophical in nature. So as you start exercising, there is a positive aura around you, there is a positive vibe about you, and everybody in and around you, people who are in your closest social circle, that is your family members, your partner, your spouse, two people who are your friends, two people who are acquaintances, everyone would want to would feel the change in you, would understand that change in you, and it just enriches your interpersonal relationship and your life. And lastly, all the dreams that you have in back of your mind subconsciously, which maybe you are actively pursuing or you are passively pursuing, you will start feeling that the universe is sending all those positive energies, all those dreams, making a pathway for it, and it all just happens. It just there is the path gets created on its own. It's just that you have to accept it. You have to be ready with an open mind, and you need to take it in positively. So these are the reasons why I generally feel workout is very, very, very essential. When I started this journey, it was, I think, in the year 2016 December 25th, from Also Lake walks to this date in 2020, wherein 2020 is going to end. I wouldn't say consistently every single day, but most part of it, there's been workout, yoga, chanting, or your japs of you say Om Namah Shivaya or Om Sai Ram, whatever you believe in, your faith is in, has been there at least to some extent and has had a very great impact. So that was the first video. I'll come up with another video soon. Have a nice day.